It is Pier 403G here, and we're looking at the snowstorm again. This is about 20 minutes later. And it's gotten significantly worse from last time. Now the driveway's covered and the roads are starting to get covered now. Our cars are covered, as you can see. We have about 2 inches on the ground now. It's unbelievable how much snow we're getting right now.
It's not really that believable.
Look, that tree doesn't even have... That still's got green leaves on it, and we're getting this much snow. It's crazy. I have to shovel our driveway soon, too. Who knew? Shoveling your driveway in October. Nobody ever thought of that one.